Okay, I may make this video with my face as the thumbnail, like, what? Or, or, or something like. Because my question to you is, I know you're rich, you get a lot of this, but do you think that $75,000, not a year, $75,000 a month, is that chump change? $75,000, what is that? 75 times 12? It's, yeah, a lot of money, but $75,000 times 12 months. If you were getting $75,000 each month, would you consider yourself well off, well to do? Would you consider yourself rich? Would you consider yourself doing fairly well, above the poverty line? I would imagine, yes. But if you think that that is not very much money, you must be doing pretty good. Are you middle class with that? Are you upper middle class? What's the determination? If you make at least $75,000 every single month, 12 months, it's not like you go on a vacation after 10 months. I was working 10 months this year and make $750,000. No, I'm gonna go the whole way. I'm gonna work the 12 months. Maybe take a couple nice vacations, whatever. But if you bring in $75,000 a month, that's after taxes. That's tax free. $75,000. Would you consider yourself well off, or would you consider that not a big deal? It's $75,000 chump change. What does that mean, chump change? Hey, chump, you got a dollar worth of change in your pocket? I don't know. The reason I'm asking that question is, according to YouTube, they can't fix everybody's channel. Well, no, I'm sorry. They can fix everybody's channel if they find a way to fix the entire program, the entire YouTube.com or whatever. If they can figure out a way to fix everybody's channel by just finding, oh wait, here's the glitch. It's not on these individual channels. It's on our hardware. It's on our platform. Here it is. Let's go ahead and take this toggle that says yes, no, and all of a sudden everything works. Maybe. But all 5 of the things, 4 or 5 of the things that they take a look at and they post for you on your algorithm when you look at your analysis, there's glitches in all of them, 100%. Everybody has a glitch. All 4. Mine is, let's see, it's going to be my subscribers, my view count, my view hours, and my revenue. I know those 4. But all 4 of those are incorrect. It's incorrect. For the last 2.5 years, this has been going on now since mid-February, probably a little bit before that. But they're now saying in February they had a big glitch. It almost shut down it did shut down YouTube for a little while. It could have been at a time, like, it could have been like, 2 in the morning Eastern time, and that's 5 in the morning here, and I was asleep and I didn't know. Then it came back on. Could be. I don't know. But now they are admitting there's a global glitch of those 4 things or 5 things or whatever. There is a glitch. They're now saying yes. So we got them from saying, first when you write them, there's, oh, there is no glitch. And that's standard practice. They have a list. Okay. Oh, someone's asking about glitch. There is no glitch. And then you write back, look, I'm just asking for someone to be truthful with me. I know there's a glitch. Let me look at it. Can you hold for a while? Can you hold for 5 minutes? Yes, I can. Okay. Bring coffee, comb me the hair, put on the lipstick, play Angry Birds, boop, 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 and then come back. We didn't find a glitch because you didn't look. And he said, that's funny because I see there's glitches, and here's a screenshot of the glitch. Oh, that glitch. That's a glitch. Yeah, we call that a bug, and we fixed that one already. Don't worry, that's already been fixed. It's been fixed. So all you gotta do, log off here with me, or you can keep it on if you want. Then just go ahead and close YouTube, reopen YouTube, and you're gonna see on the bar graph, whoop, 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 or the this graph, the line graph, or the bar graph, or whatever graph, you're gonna see it starting to work again. As soon as you do that, and say, okay, I'll do that. Hold on for a minute, I'll be right back. And so you go to turn it off, they're gone. They left. Yes, to get you out of there. Okay, they'll either say there is no glitch, there was a glitch and we fixed it. Oh, I see that you have a bug on your account. Go ahead and close it and reopen. It'll go away. It's just you. The other 100 million channels that don't have it, it's just you. Go ahead, do these two things and come back. No, they're gone. Then you write to another person, hey, I was just writing something. Oh, let me put you on a hold while I check into that. And then solitaire, I'm eating some spaghetti. It's very good. Okay, I'm back. Yes, I didn't find anything. Oh, you didn't, huh? You can do every single one of those steps of your complaint, your inquiry. Are you going to do anything? Then get rid of you. But what they said was, okay, we admit there's a glitch. We're now willing to admit to it. But we can only give individual attention to channels that are drawing in big money. So if we're going to start making providing help out there, and we have Mr. Beast, for an example, everybody uses Mr. Beast. His videos on his first hour that video's out usually draws between 5 and 10, not views. Mine would be great if I got 5 to 10 views in my first hour. I usually get 2 or 3, unless it's something really like when the war started, or the Korean thing where they shot the people on the boat. You don't hear about that anymore, do you? If it's something worldwide, the people that got shot in Minnesota by ICE, maybe I would get 6 or 7 views in my first hour. But he gets 5 to 10 million views in his first hour. And he makes monthly, on 28 days, that's what I consider a month with YouTube, he makes anywhere between $4 and like $8 million. That's what he makes. Well, that's not going to be, he has a staff. He has, we all have a staff for a boy, right? He has a staff. He has editing fees. He has advertising fees. But on YouTube alone, he's bringing in $4 to $10 million a month. They said 4 to 8, 4 to 10 million dollars each month. So his average video, is getting 5 to 10 million in the first hour. My best video ever, I think, has 13,000, maybe 16,000 in 3 years. In 3 years. So what he can do in a nanosecond, a tiny little fragment of a second, it takes me 3 years to do. Yeah. So that's the difference. So they said if your channel's not producing $75,000 a month to us, not the money you're making, David, not the money that goes here. If we're not clearing at least $75,000 on your channel in revenue, advertisers pay YouTube, then YouTube gives you a piece. So if I make $300 a month, YouTube might have made $4,000 or more. I don't know the ratio. They don't tell you. There's no way to find out. So they're going to give you a piece of what they make. But if what they're making off of your channel is not a minimum of $75,000, we don't have time for you. No, we're taking care of the ones that are making us $1 million a month, $2 million a month. Those ones get taken care of. Not you. So if your channel's small and it's not making them $75,000, they don't even look. That's what she kind of admitted. We don't even really look. If there's something that can fix the entire site of YouTube, not your channel, but the entire site, everybody's channels. If everybody's channels has a view count glitch, and we find out, oh, it's because of this little piece of software we added. Let's say they added the 3-minute shorts. When we added the 3-minute shorts, it used to be 15 seconds or 1 minute. Now it's minimum. Now you just click on it and do it, I guess. But you can set it for 15 seconds. It'll go up to 15 seconds and it'll stop. Or 3 minutes, and it can be any portion of 3 minutes. It can be 1 minute, 2 minutes. And the 15-second one, it can be 4 seconds. I've done some videos that's 4 seconds. I'll go like, Caroline, whoop, and then she moves, and then it's a 4-second video. So maybe it was that. Maybe it's when they did that, when they implemented that. I'm not sure. But they're saying if you're not making them $75,000 a month, back of the line. They're never going to help you. Never. They might give you some advice. They might say, hey, I was thinking about doing this. I wanted to maybe, promote one of my videos. what do you think about it? Yeah, it's very cheap. You put a little bit of money over here and go ahead and do that. They'll say things like that. Or, hey, I've been looking on this thing and I don't know what time to put on videos. Oh, if you look on the algorithm, it will usually tell you, like for mine, the best time is usually 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. my time every day. It used to change, okay? Today, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, to now 8 o'clock tomorrow, and it doesn't do that anymore. It's not that sophisticated. So they're saying every single day between 6 and 8 is the best time for mine. They'll answer questions like that. If you might say something like, hey, where did you get the name YouTube? They might say, oh, YouTube is, your videos, a place where you put your videos, your content. That's where we got the name. They'll do that, but they're not going to help you. Whenever they're doing this, they're just doing this. So you can hear the keyboard. Okay, let me put you on hold for just 1 minute. I found something here. Boop. Then they go over the refrigerator. Left for pizza. And then they go, oh, thanks for holding. I think I figured it out. Go ahead and turn off, and then you're gone. So $75,000. Chump change? I don't know. Take care. Oh, don't forget, today, right now, it's the 13th. This will be out on Tuesday, which is tomorrow, will be the 14th. And we're having our contest drawn on the 18th. So what do you got to do? You got to get over there and get busy, because you only got 4 days to enter. 4 days to go onto the channel. You're already there, and you're going to see a video that says, okay, let's try again. And it's a picture of a lady, and it talks about the new contest. Click on that one. Not the nude contest. No, you don't run on nude. Woo, what do we do? Woo. And it's a comment picker contest with a subscriber element. So go there and check it out. Please subscribe, like, share. Give me your comments. If you have a channel, does your channel make $75,000 a month for them? And how much do you make if they're making $75,000? They're making money, and they're gonna give you a percentage. Are they gonna give you 1%? Are they gonna give you like $750? Is it 10%? Are they giving you $7,500? What if you are bringing in $75,000 for them a month? How much are you getting per month? It's got to be high. That number has got to be pretty high. So let me know what you think. Take care.